What are inflation-linked bonds? Have you ever wondered how to keep your retirement savings safe from the rising costs of living? One option that might interest you is inflation-linked bonds. So, what exactly are these bonds? Inflation-linked bonds are a type of fixed-income investment designed to protect investors from inflation. They are usually issued by governments and have a unique structure that adjusts both the principal and interest payments based on inflation rates. This adjustment is typically tied to a consumer price index, which measures the overall price changes in goods and services. Let's break down how these bonds work. First, when you invest in inflation-linked bonds, you purchase them at their face value. As inflation rises, the bond's principal is adjusted regularly to reflect those changes. This means your investment maintains its purchasing power over time. Next, interest payments are calculated based on this inflation-adjusted principal, not the original amount. So, if inflation increases, your interest payments also rise. Typically, you receive these interest payments twice a year, which can provide a steady income stream. At maturity, you will receive either the inflation-adjusted principal or the original principal, whichever is higher. Now, why are inflation-linked bonds particularly beneficial for retirement? They help preserve the purchasing power of your savings, which is essential for retirees relying on a fixed income. By investing in these bonds, you can protect your retirement savings from inflation, ensuring that your money retains its value and can cover your living expenses. However, there are some risks to consider. Interest rate changes can affect the bond's value, and during periods of deflation, the returns may not be as favorable. Additionally, these bonds might not be as easily sold as other investments, which could pose liquidity risks. Tax implications are also important to keep in mind, as you may be taxed on both the interest and the inflation adjustments. In the context of retirement planning, inflation-linked bonds can provide a stable income stream. They help retirees maintain their standard of living, even when inflationary pressures arise. If you are looking for a way to safeguard your retirement investments, inflation-linked bonds might be worth considering.